we're going to find the sum of the series given here. So I'll let you read that. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it anyway. So I'm going to let our sum, that is our S, equal 1 times 2 plus 2 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 cubed plus 4 times 2 to the power of 4 plus ... plus n times 2 to the power of n, because these are even numbers. All right, and then I'm going to let 2 times s, so I multiply everything through by 2, and that's just going to give me 1 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 cubed plus 3 times 2 to the power of 4 plus 4 times 2 to the power of 5 and plus ... plus n times 2 to the power of n plus 1. Now that we have that, we're going to call this equation 1 and this equation 2. And what we're trying to do is find the sum of this. So basically, let's subtract 1 and subtract 2. Now that's going to give me negative s, because 1s minus 2s is negative s. So we have negative s equals 2 plus 2 squared plus 2 cubed plus 2 to the power of 4. I do something wrong here. 4, guess not. Okay, plus ... plus 2 to the power of n minus, and then we have n times 2 to the power of n plus 1. All right, now that we have that, we can find the sum of this. So finding the sum of this is going to be this part here. So let's do that, this part in here. And we're going to use this formula here. So our first term is going to be 2. And then our common ratio, we keep multiplying by 2. And this is why we did this, so we can find the common ratio here. So this is going to be 2 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. And then we still have this tail n minus n times 2 to the power of n plus 1. All right, let's simplify this. This is just 1. And I'm going to multiply those two. If you multiply these two, this is going to be 2 to the power of n plus 1. And then you have minus 2 minus n times 2 to the power of n plus 1. Okay, the next step I'm going to do is factor. I'm going to group these two together, this one and this one, and factor out a 2n plus 1. And when you do that, you're going to get 1 minus n. So let's do that. We're going to get this equals 1 minus n. And then we factored out the 2 to the power of n plus 1. And we still had this negative 2. Now this is negative s. So therefore, s is just going to be, if you negate everything through here, you're going to get s equals n minus 1 times 2 to the power of n plus 1. And this changes to positive 2. And this will be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.